Welcome back. Bitch. Now, yesterday we tried solving the remove element question number 27, and I couldn't solve it. But guess what? I come I came to terms that I was very close to solving it. It was this close. And honestly, it was not my mistake. It was not my logic's fault or anything like that. It was just that I didn't know how nums.erase function works internally. That was my. We just need this. Okay, to solve this question, we just need this. That's it. That's it. See, that's it. That's it. Submit. That's it. Now, let me. What is. By the way, can someone explain what does this section mean? I never understand this section. Does this mean I did good, or does this mean I did bad or very bad? I think it's very bad because it's not optimized. So let me first tell you why this problem occurred, and then how using I minus solved it. Okay, bear with me, guys. I'm your teacher today, and you are my student. So, first of all, sit down, sit your ass, keep your ass on the benches, and look at what I'm going to teach you. Okay? Didn't. Yeah, I think I could do this. Yes, right. Now, let us take this vector 0, 1, 2, 3. A very simple vector. And say we want to remove value equal to 2. Right? We want to remove this 2, and output vector should be something like 0, 1, and 3. The back part doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Okay? It doesn't matter. Now, what we were trying to do is nums dot erase the number. Now look at this. First, 0. Is 0 equal to 2? No, don't erase it. Is 1 equal to 2? No, don't erase it. Is 2 equal to 2? Yes, erase it. So what? Is 3 equal to 2? No, just move on. This works, right? And yesterday also, if you remember, the first case worked. Now for the second case to work, let us take the example of this 0, 1, 2, 2, and 3. Now this is case where actually it didn't work. Now I want you to pay very close attention. Okay, what erase actually does is 0. Is this equal to 2? No. 1. Is this equal to 2? No. 2. Is this equal to 2? Yes. Yes. Now it removes it. But as soon as it removes this 2, it shifts the element after it. The 2 and 3 element are shifted one step forward. What I mean is, look at this. Our vector won't be like this. This is not the vector that we will get. No, we won't get this vector, but instead we will get this vector. These 2 and 3 will be shifted one step forward. But guess what? The 2, the I was already here. I was already here. So when it gets shifts, it reaches here. and it checks if 3 is equal to 2, which is false. So this 2 is entirely skipped, and that's the biggest problem. So what we do is we go and if it's 2, then after it shifts we just get back one step back. If we are in 3, we get one step back or one index back to 2 by doing I minus minus. I minus minus means simply we are mm, uh, I forgot the word, man. Simply we are decreasing by 1 minus 1. So the control was in 3, then we decrease it to 2, and this 2 is equal to 2, so this also gets removed, and our final would be 0 1, and the 3 will be again shifted to left, so it will be 0 1 3. This we would get this. It was this simple, right? What is happening now for the optimized version, which we are now going to look at, which is going to be pretty fun. Okay, first of all, let me remove this. I think the optimized version is very smart and very simple too. Okay, just first let me go through the code, and then with that I will tell you. Okay, first let me make a variable named k equals to 0. This is just a variable. Let's ignore this shit for us now. Let's k is k. Now let me adjust this thing a bit. It's making it harder for me to write. Now I look like uh, South Indian. Yes, for int I equal to 0, I less than nums dot size I plus plus. If you see, actually nothing has changed. It's the same loop. If nums I equal to val. Nah, this is where we were wrong. Instead of erasing the or removing the element, we are overwriting the element. That's the main idea. The name remove element is, I think, very misleading because it led to us to thinking that we have to remove. But what if we just skip those elements instead of removing and only create a vector or override all the elements where the value is not present. Here's what I mean, what I'm trying to say. If nums dot is not equal to value, right, when it is not equal to value, at that moment what I want myself to do is nums k, which is 0, equal to nums of I. Let me take the example of the one which we couldn't solve yesterday. Wait, what is this? It's 0 1 2 2 3 0 4 2. At first it's 0, right? Is 0 equal to 2? No, it's not. So nums dot k gets what? Equal to nums dot I. So nums k, which is 0 for now, equal to 0. We get our first element. By the way, we are overwriting. We are not creating a new entire array vector. We are just overwriting the formal array. Since then, one thing to remember, you have to do k plus plus here. Oh, it's not 3 plus, it's 2 plus. Why k plus plus? Because now I forgot to put it's comma. Because initially, right now, the index is 0, but we have to keep increasing the index. Next iteration, we want the index to be nums 1 equals to what? Is 1 equal to 2? No. So 1. So 1 will be there. But in the third index, is nums equal to, well, yes. So this condition will not be applied for 2 and for this 2 as well. This is such a genius solution. And I think this is gonna work. Let me see. It should work. It should work. What? What did I do wrong? What the character no void function does not, oh, does not return. My bad. We have to return k, and this is another beautiful thing. We don't have to return the vector size. We just have to return k, because k will be the number of elements that will be added. This is another beautiful thing. Look, see, it's so great. It's so great solution. But either way, I'm at the top. You can see that. I'm at the top. I'm at the top of the tower. Now. The video is around 12 minutes. What should I do? Should I try to solve another problem, or should I end the video here today? I don't know. Problems. Da, na, 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 na. Let's try solving some math problems, okay? I like math. Even though I'm not very good at it, I like math. Threesome. Oh, there is threesome as well. I didn't know that. Mother father. Palindrome 1 to desert. Plus 1. Should we write plus 1? Square root of x. I tried square root of x once, but I couldn't solve it. Should I try square climbing stairs? Oh my god, all of this looks very interesting. Excel sheet, column number, happy number. Should we try happy number? Yes, because I'm very happy. Let's try happy number. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Let me read. Write an algorithm to determine if a number n is happy. It's like me. A happy number is a number defined by the following process. Okay. Starting with any positive integer, replace the number by the sum of the square of its digits. What? It's like what was that called? Armstrong's number, right? Happy number, Armstrong number. Starting with any positive integer, replace the number by the sum of squares of its digits. Oh, it's, I think, just like Armstrong's number. Repeat the process until the number is equal to 1, where it will stay. Or loops endlessly in a cycle where it does not include 1. Those numbers for which this process ends in 1 are happy. True if n is a happy number and false is a no. Okay, let me just quickly look at the example, because examples are great. Okay, I am an example myself. You should follow me. For example, we have a number 19, and 1 square plus 9 square equals to 82. Oh, oh, brilliant. 8 square plus 2 square equals to, it is 64, 68. And 6 square plus 8 square would be 68, 36. 36 plus 48 would be 100. Yes, 100. 1 square plus, oh my god, happy number is actually great. Okay, let me cook. Let me cook. Let me do n equals to temp for now. No, my bad. Temp int temp equals to n. If No, not if, while temp is less than 0. Since the question, since the instructions have instructed us that for positive number, so we are just going to ignore negative, guys, only focus on the positive. While temp is less than 0, what I want to do is uh, in PS, it means partial sum. P sum, let me write P sum equals to 0, and बिन पूछे नाम और पता रस्तों को रख के परे, चार कदम, बस चार कदम, चलो ना साथ मेरे। हाथों में हाथ लिए, चार कदम, बस चार कदम, चलो ना साथ मेरे, बिन पूछे नाम और पता रस्तों को रख के परे, चार कदम, बस चार कदम, चल दो ना साथ मेरे. But I don't have, I shouldn't do, I should do temp instead. No, 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 no. By the way, guys, no, it's too long, it's too far. I have one viewer, by the way. I uploaded 3 videos. I got 2 viewers in the second day and third day video. I'm very grateful to those person who are inspiring me to make more videos like this. I hope I request you to subscribe as well. You'll get 9, right? Now what you have to do is partial p sum plus, which is p sum is 0, right? It's initially yes, equals to digit into digit. So 0 plus, what is digit into digit? This is 9 into 9, which is 9 9s are 81. So I will do temp divided equal to 10, which will do 19 divided 10 and give us 1. So 1 is less than 0 for sure. So means 1 is greater than 0 for sure. So the loop will run again. And at that time we'll get remainder 1. P sum would be 1 square 82. And with less than 0, we would get 82. We got 82. But the loop stops running at that point. What instead of temp you do p sum? 82 is less than 0. No, it's not. P sum is less than 0. No. You keep doing it. You keep doing it. No. No. While P sum is p sum is greater than 0. Oh, I understand what this means. Sorry. If p sum equal to 1, return true, else return false. We got one case correct, guys. For 2, output false, expected false. For 19, what? What happened? Output false, expected true. I know why. I think I know why it mm, sorry. Do we care even if n changes? Like, we don't, right? We don't have to compare it. So I think temp is just useless here. Instead of temp, we should just do n. This is optimization, guys. Optimization. Optimum prime. Optimus. I think this condition is the problem here. While p sum is less than 0. While p sum, no, let's do while true. Now we will check each iteration. If p sum equal to 1, break. Let's just do is happy equals to 2, and let's make a boolean variable called is happy, right? Which is initially false. But if it's not there, it will run for infinite iterations. That is also true. Now let's try doing while p sum is greater than 0. P sum is greater than 0. Greater than equal to 0. Because what happened? Expected expression greater than equal to 0. Time limit exceeded. Does this mean like constraint problem? I think yes. This is equals n% 10 is happy true. Return not true, but return is happy. You just nothing is required. This all are bullshit. Tab. Mhm. I think guys, this solution is correct, but the time limit is exceeding. I'm not sure if this is actually correct. infinite loop. I think it's going into infinite loop. While p sum is less than equal to zero. P sum is always zero. Is p sum. Oh, p sum always will be greater than equal to zero. Right, right. I understand. I understand. While n is greater than equal to zero. Nah, it will not work. It just doesn't feel right. Yeah, I'm very sorry. I haven't been able to solve a single problem cleanly till now. I'm very. I apologize with all my heart, and I'm feeling very sleepy right now. I will solve this tomorrow. I promise. Give you this solution. It's optimized solution, and hope going to solve another problem by my own. Everything I don't. So good night. Let me sleep.